Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 71 F100. Guessing the e-brake does not work. We'll have to take a look out of that. It's nice if they do on these 4 speeds, but we'll just let her coast back here. Cold, so I had to pump it a few times. There you can see the gas gauge works. Blower fan works. There's the radio working. Horn insert's gone. Blinker works, and the wipers work. Runs really good. No power steering, no power brakes. Looks like they've changed it this year. Changed oil. Beginning of the year, probably hasn't been drove since. And the front lights work. And the tail lights work. So about the only thing I think we really need to look at here is the e-brake. So any questions? 605-695-7391.